Computer fundamentals. What is a computer? A computer is an electronics machine which helps to solve problems easily. Parts of a computer: monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, speaker, are the main parts of a computer. Types of computer: desktop computer, laptop computer, tablet, palm-top computer, smartphones, are some types of computer. Father of computer. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. Hardware and software. Computer is made up of hardware and software. Computer hardware is any part of a computer that we can touch. Examples of computer hardware are monitor, CPU, keyboard, motherboard, printer, scanner, speaker. Computer software is the set of instructions that makes the computer to work. Examples of computer software are PowerPoint, Android, Microsoft Word, Windows, Java, Google Chrome, Gmail, antivirus software. How a computer works. Computer works in 3 basic steps: input, process, and output. Input is the data that we enter into the computer. Process is what the computer does with the input data. Output is the final result the computer gives to us after processing the data. Input devices. Input devices are used to give data into the computer. Examples of input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, light pen, scanner. Output devices. Output device are used to get information from the computer. Examples of output devices are monitor, printer, projector, headphone, speaker. Computer language. Machine language is the only language a computer is capable of understanding. It is also called low-level language. Machine language is a collection of 0 and 1. 0 and 1 are called binary digits or bits. It is very difficult to understand by human. Uses of computer. Computer is used to study, listen to musics, watch movies, play games, draw pictures, chat, send emails, and surf in the internet. Computer in our daily life. Computers are used in schools, hospitals, offices, home, banks and airports. Advantages of computer. A computer does accurate calculations. A computer does not get tired. It can do many tasks at a time. It does not forget any information. A computer works very fast. Disadvantages of computer. A computer does not have feelings. It cannot take its own decision. A computer works on a user's order. Question time. Drop the following in the correct circle.
Every week, you will be notified by a new video. So, don't forget to subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching Make It Easy Education.